Why it is called ate? It has E at the end. So in any word, if there is E at the end, our vowel before gives a long sound. So over here, A says A. So this is ate, ate, right? E sleeps. It doesn't give its sound. So it is called ate, ate. Let's have some examples. G, A, T, gate. Pl, pl, A, T, plate. Sl, sl, A, T, slate. H, A, T, hate. M, A, T, mate. F, A, T, fate. L, A, T, late.